To begin installing the roll-up door, first we're going to take the reinforced film and hold it evenly over the door opening. We're going to use wiggle wire to attach the film to the door header. Then we're going to come back through and trim off any excess film, leaving about 4 to 6 inches on the outside of the door frame all the way around. Now we're going to pull the film taut and wiggle wire the film down the uprights of the door frame. This is how you can leave the film during the winter, but we are only doing this during install to make the pipe installation part a little bit easier. Next, we're going to assemble the knuckle joint hardware for the roll-up handle. Once assembled, we're going to insert into the roll-up door pipe and pull over the blue protective sleeve, and then attach the knuckle joint to the pipe with 2 Tech screws. We will then attach the handle extension side with 2 Tech screws as well. Just like the roll-up side handle, we're going to slip the sleeve over the bolt and tighten down with the nylon nut with 2 socket wrenches. Then we're going to insert the handle into the extension pipe and attach that with 2 Tech screws. Now we are going to readjust the protective sleeve over the knuckle assembly and tighten it in place with zip ties. Now we're going to center the roll-up door pipe assembly on the opening itself. Then we're going to trim off any excess pipe. And then, similar to the roll-up sides, we're going to repeat the cradling and snap clamp process. Again, similar to the roll-up sides, we're going to use the black strapping that's folded to create a reinforced section, and we're going to attach that to the metal uprights using the Tech screws and fender washers. And then at the bottom, we're going to attach it to the baseboard with wood screws and fender washers. We're going to repeat the same process on the other side of the door, ensuring that the roll-up door pipe is placed above our wood screws and fender washers installed at the baseboard. One of the finishing touches on the greenhouse is adding wind strapping. Wind strapping makes certain that the main piece of poly doesn't flex due to wind by cinching down the film to the frame. Doing this helps extend the life of the film. On this house, we're installing 4 sections of wind strapping. Our general rule is to add strapping every 12 to 16 feet in the spaces in between the bows. We're simply going to throw the roll over the peak of the house, and then, similar to before, fold the strapping to create a reinforced section and attach it to the headboard with wood screws and fender washers. We'll then pull the strap taut on the opposite side of the house, trim it, and repeat the steps to attach it to the headboard.